come with me on a tour of Little Africa in Paris. This cultural agency is in the 18th arrondissement of Paris and the perfect place to connect, discover, and learn about not only the African diaspora in Paris, but also Black culture in Paris. I had the pleasure of meeting the founder, CEO, and creative director of Little Africa, Jacqueline, and it was incredible to hear her story and just what went into this incredible space. I hope you enjoy coming on this tour with me.